County in the Panhandle of West Virginia until 11:45 p.m.
Hello?
At 8:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hagersville, Municipal Stadium, Robinwood, Fountain Head Orchard Hills, Paramount Long Meadow, Wilson Conococheague, Williamsport, St. James, Long Meadow, Halfway, Morgansville, Funkstown, Leitersburg, Clear Spring, Kiewaville, Big Spring, Big Pool, Middleburg, Warrenton, Bridgeport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The National
It's not for us. It's a flash flood warning for Berkeley County, West Virginia, and Washington County.
Tornado possible. Wind 60 miles per hour. Radar indicated. Gale 175. Radar indicated. 4 District of Columbia, DC, Edmonds, George, MD, Darlington, City of Alexandria, Fairfax, PA. Till 9:15 p.m. Daylight time. Matter 9:90
What?
Expanded. Carrying the main server. Performed by plugs. Dismiss. Expanded. YouTube. Bullet. 4 minutes ago. Scotty Kilmer. Uniform changing. Dismiss. Expanded. YouTube. Bullet. 25 minutes ago. State College WX. FFW 4 WXM 97 2024. East number 2940-2941. Dismiss. Expanded. YouTube. Bullet. 25 minutes ago. State College WX. SB. Dismiss. Collapse. Capitals. Double expanded collapse. IMWX. LWX continues severe thunderstorm warning. Tornado possible. Wind 60 miles per hour. Radar indicated. Gale 175. Radar indicated. 4 District of Columbia, DC, Edmonds, George, MD, Darlington, City of Alexandria, Fairfax, PA. Till 9:15 p.m. Daylight time. Matter 9:90.
None of those are me.
Double tap and hold on press. Actions available. Swipe up or swipe down. Hold the camera. Stop recording video. Button. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold on press.
I knew there's a separate cluster for like WLTF and stuff, but too far to get those. Yeah, 97.5. So I guess what I'll do is I'll go back in the computer room and back to work for like a minute, and if I don't hear the bear cat doing bingus boongus, I'll stop. I guess I could ask Alexa to play WLTF, but I'm not gonna. Back onto the computer I go.
Message. Carrying the main server. Performed by plugs. WAC locked. RDHC. State of death. Handle WAC emergency operations center Pittsburgh. Emergency alert system locked. Easy way screen. Line. Alert received at 2027 2024 20 hours. 42 minutes and 57 seconds. Monitor number 2. Match filter non-lock relay. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Washington, MD, and Berkeley. WU beginning at 8:37 p.m. July 22nd and 12:07 a.m. for State July 23rd. WJ Blue. CCC FFW 0240403054003030.
It's off to count KNA. Thank you, John.
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, northeastern Berkeley County in the Panhandle of West Virginia until 11:45 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., Doppler radar
One of the few Americans that actually enjoys the Yellow Magic Orchestra.